Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie, and for today's video, we're going to talk about mascaras. So this is going to be a list of all the mascaras that I like and don't like. So a lot of these items are drugstore brands. They're very affordable. If ever there is a brand that is not drugstore, then it's still pretty affordable because I rarely buy mascaras that are more than 1,000 pesos. So this is going to be your ultimate guide to mascaras. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start off with something that is super affordable kasi alam kong mahilig kayo sa mga budget makeup. So I've tried the Careline Go Big Mascara. If you haven't seen a review of this product, then please do check out my review. I'll have the link down below or maybe up in the cards. Please watch it after this video. So I do an in-depth review of this product as well as a demo. And from that video, I did say that I like this product, but I've had some problems about it. I really wouldn't recommend it for girls who have oily skin, especially if you're the type of girl who oils up the most at the eye area or under eyes here. Then I would advise you to stay far away from this mascara because that was my biggest problem with this. But if you have normal to dry skin, then this is something that you should definitely try because I think that this is such an affordable but unique mascara. The thing that I love the most about this product is the brush is so different, and the 3-ball brush kind of catches your lashes pretty well for you to kind of wiggle it much better and make your lashes thicker with every application. It smells kind of funky as well. Well, not funky in the bad sense, but it kind of reminds you of something fruity with a dash of Artline whiteboard marker. So if you guys have always wanted to try this but are not sure, I definitely recommend that it is worth the experience. I like it but probably not so much, so I would probably give it like a 6 or 7 out of 10. The next mascara that I really love, like absolutely love, is the Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. If there is a mascara that I would definitely recommend to all of my friends, it's this one. This mascara is kind of like, it kind of has like a rubber material. I mean, how do I explain it? So basically, the formula of this mascara dries up in kind of like a rubbery material formula. When you wash your face, this will come off easily with just water and soap. So that was the biggest bonus that I loved. Another thing that I loved about this product is it really lengthens your lashes, but the downside is it does not provide any form of volume. So kung makapal yung lashes mo pero maikli, I would definitely recommend this mascara. Mura lang siya. This was around 225 pesos. But another downside of this is it's so hard to find. I think that compared to other drugstore brands like Maybelline, Loreal, Everbelena, hindi mo to mahahanap with just any drugstore or Watson's or department store. I had to get this at Robinson's Galleria, and so far that's the only place that I've seen this mascara because in other department stores it's always sold out. But this is super high quality for a drugstore brand, and it also is very friendly for people who have oily skin. So definitely this is my #1 recommended affordable drugstore mascara. The next mascara that I super duper love is the Essence Get Big Lashes Mascara. But another problem that I had with this is just like the Careline Go Big, it also is not friendly for girls with oily lids. So if you have oily eyelids or lower lash line, then this is not good. But this one delivers the best volume out of all the mascaras I've ever tried. So what I typically do is to combine this one with the Fashion 21 because this gives the length and this gives the volume, and together they're married into like the perfect lash routine ever. The Fashion 21 also prevents the Essence one from smudging, but this one alone is a nightmare to use. Like literally, umupo lang ako, tapos tumapat lang ako sandali sa bintana para gawin yung makeup ko. After probably like 15 minutes, wala. Sobrang itim na nandito ko. But again, if you have normal to dry skin, you shouldn't have a problem using this mascara, and it's actually definitely one of the things that I would recommend. Next up is a brand that is super famous. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This one, oh my gosh, this one I love Maybelline, but this is probably the worst mascara they've ever invented because how do I even Kalma. Whenever I think about this mascara, umiinit talaga yung ulo ko. This promised to kind of deliver like a falsies-like effect, and it was advertised as to be lengthening and without clumping. It's typically like the fan effect that everybody loves. I don't know, a lot of YouTubers love this for some reason, but I hate it. Like, I really hate it. This is the worst when it comes to smudging. Kasi 5 minutes into the makeup routine, this automatically smudges on my lower lash line. I don't know what it is. Maybe I just got a bad batch of the mascara, but I don't recommend this to any of my friends. And when people ask me if I would choose this over the Hyper Curl, I just tell them, girl, kunin mo na yung Hyper Curl. Mas mura na, mas maganda pa. Hindi siya nagsasmudge. This one really disappointed me. I don't even know why I'm still holding on to this. Sobrang overdue ko na tong itapon. It's not lengthening, there's no volume. It just easily smudges. Kahit na waterproof siya, no. Sobrang no. Next product that I really love is a Korean brand. So this is Etude House. This is the 3-step volume Cara and curling mascara. So the thing that I love the most about this mascara is nakakatawa siya gamitin because there's like a 3-step method to using this. So yeah, naka-zoom. Put it on 1 if you want like the first coat, and then 2 if you want it a little bit thicker, and if you want to go like really glam, you put it on 3 para bonggang-bongga siya. The color of the mascara is like super black, and I think that the wand is really nice and curved so you reach like every corner of your lashes. The thing that I don't like about this though is pag sinarado mo siya, may tendency kumalat yung formula on the canister or the tube. So I'm not a fan of like makeup that is kind of messy, pero it's not a big deal. You can always clean it afterwards. The thing about this, it's also pretty pricey. I think this sells for 750 pesos in the Philippines, but I did get this from Korea. Also, I haven't been using it that much because there are just so many other drugstore mascaras out there that is so good. So this would probably be something that I would recommend if you were just a fan of Korean makeup. The last mascara on my list is the Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and this is my holy grail mascara as of to date. A lot of my friends don't like this mascara because according to them, it weighs down their lashes so much. For me, it doesn't. I have long lashes, but they're very thin, so this delivers like the perfect amount of volume. And since I've started using this, I never really felt the need to get eyelash extensions again. Plus, eyelash extensions are so hard to maintain and they're so expensive, so ayoko na gawin yun. This is the next best thing that I can get. It's a waterproof mascara. It's 350 pesos. Well, it's originally 500, but I got it for 350 at a sale in Lazada, and I would recommend that if you guys don't really have a 500 peso budget for this, then try to wait up for the sales. The thing that I like the most about this is, like other L'Oreal mascaras, it really does stay on your lashes and it doesn't smudge at all. It is absolutely smudge proof and waterproof. So kung umiyak ka na umiyak or kung naulanan ka sa panahon na to, then this will stay true to its claims. But like I said earlier, I don't know about people with really short lashes. This might not work for you. You're probably better off with a mascara that's more lengthening, which I recommended earlier, this one. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below what your holy grail mascara is. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah!
First met, yeah,